We are looking at how to pronounce this word, as well as how to say more unclear words in English. We're going to be looking at how to pronounce it in British English as well as in American English, as the two pronunciations differ. Plus, this could be used as a noun or as a verb. Anyhow, let's get into it. In British English, this is normally said when used as a noun as record, record. In American English, however, used as a noun, this is said as record, record in American English versus record in British English. When used as a verb, however, when you record something, you say record, record, emphasis on the second syllable when it's used as a verb, as opposed to an emphasis on the first syllable when used as a noun, record or record. Did you get the difference? Do you make sense of all of this? Was this any helpful? Let me know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more words in English whose pronunciations aren't exactly always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more.